Now we're all familiar with the birthday notification tool inside Facebook that will notify you the day of somebody's birthday. But if you're like me, that gives you no time to mail a handwritten birthday card. Now Facebook has a great little tool. If you go to the home page and click on Events, that's going to take you to the Events page in Facebook. And if you scroll down in the bottom right corner, there's a great little hidden birthday tool that most people don't know about. If you click on birthdays, now for most people it's going to give you a bunch of code, and unless your computer is set up to handle this, you're not going to know what to do with it. But there's a little secret for using that application outside of Facebook to set up your own custom application for birthday reminders. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. Well, we found the little hidden birthday tool inside of Facebook, but the secret to harnessing the power of this little tool actually happens outside of Facebook. So let me walk you through how to do that. The first thing that you'll need to do is actually right-click on birthdays, and you'll want to copy the link address or the URL for that little application tool. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to jump over to my Google Calendar and just use this as an example. If you use something other than a Google Calendar, if you'll stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll give you some links to how to do this and some of the other common online calendars. So in Google Calendar, I'm going to go to Other Calendars. And I'm actually going to create a new calendar by adding the URL that I just copied from the Facebook notification tool. So I'm going to paste in that link. And I am going to keep this calendar private because it does contain birthdays and private information of friends and family. So I'm going to click Add Calendar, and you can see that this calendar has been added under Other Calendars as friends' birthdays. And as I scroll through, everything that shows up in purple are my Facebook birthdays that have been synced from my Facebook account. So all of my friends and family are now showing up and synced to my Google Calendar. Now the power of this tool comes in setting up notifications. So remember that Facebook sends you a notification on the day of somebody's birthday, which doesn't give you much time to send a handwritten birthday card. And so we want to set up some reminders to get notified a few days before that, so we've got time to put something in the mail. So here's how to do that. Under the friend's birthday calendar, there's a little arrow that pops up. If you'll click on that, we're going to go to Calendar Settings. And depending on the online calendar that you're using, the steps will be a little bit different, but the concept will be the same. So I'm going to click on Reminders and Notifications, and this will allow me to set up custom notifications for all of the events in this calendar. Google automatically syncs what's in Facebook with this calendar, but we can set up custom reminders that will be the default for every birthday that shows up in this calendar. Now I have mine set to email me 1 week before the birthday so that I'll have plenty of time to make sure I've got a card that I can send with a handwritten note in the mail. And I've got it set to send me a text message 2 days before to make sure if I haven't put it in the mail by then, that'll give me one last reminder to do that. And so you can set up one or more. I'm just going to remove these real quick and show you how to add a new reminder. And so we can pick and select which one we want to do here. So I'm just going to do 2 days before, we'll do that text message, and then 7 days before we're going to add in an email reminder. And so basically that's it. I'm going to click Save, and so everything that shows up on my calendar by default will send me that email a week before, text message 2 days before, and gives me plenty of time to send out a handwritten note. Now I've got one last little hidden trick for you. You can also sync this calendar if you've got a smartphone, either iOS or Android phone, and you can sync this calendar with your phone to build a custom application that will give you birthday reminders. You can go and open those up on your calendar on your phone, and you can do that without getting any ads or pop-up ads, anything that comes if you try to install an actual birthday reminder app. Now the instructions for doing that kind of outside of this tutorial, but if you'll take a look at the actual blog associated with this video, which I'll provide a link at the end of this, I do provide some links with setting that up and syncing this calendar and the different calendars with your phones if you do want to do that. But another great feature of using this Facebook application outside of Facebook to set up a custom application, not only in your online calendar, but also syncing it to your phone so you can get to it on the go as well. Well, I hope you enjoy using your new custom Facebook reminder app to help make sure that you get your next handwritten birthday card in the mail and sent off on time. If you'd like some more information or would like to read more on the actual blog that goes along with this video tutorial, stay tuned for the link to our website and to more blogs. Thanks so much and enjoy.